Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best floor drill presses in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best floor drill presses that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the WEN 4214 12-inch variable speed drill press. WEN 4214 is likewise one of the best drill press out there in the current market. The accessory is an ideal choice for learners as well as also professionals. It's not extremely bulky and also is not very heavy. As a result, installing and utilizing it is not difficult. We enjoy the good design that makes installation as well as using it really convenient. The electrical motor is powerful and also has good torque. Also, it offers 5 speed rates and this lets you pick the most suitable speed with ease and conveniently. The lowest setting is 580 RPM while the highest possible is 3200. You also get a decent LED display that indicates the current working speed. Moreover, 2/3 HP motor isn't noisy and additionally isn't a power hog. You'll, for that reason, won't worry excessively much concerning costly power costs. It includes a 5/8" keyed chuck to manage the drill bit. Likewise, you obtain a 45-degree bevel, both right and left. This improves the operations. The work table is made of robust cast iron to put up with the use. It's tough and also has a nice working height of 37 inches. For easy height adjustment, it comes with a rack and pinion mechanism. We find the instructions pretty reliable thanks to the simplicity as well as step-by-step guidance. Moving on at number 4. We have the Shop Fox W1668. Shop Fox W1668 is likewise among the top-rated floor drill presses in the marketplace. You'll see it in numerous homes, workshops, garages, and many others. It's chosen by inexperienced as well as experienced professionals. The device is available in floor design and additionally is very basic. Therefore, the setup is very easy and straightforward. You don't need to have done it before. Furthermore, you'll also find simple clear directions inside the pack. It's easy to operate and offers very good performance. The accessory comprises hard steel that is able to handle the speed, performance, vibrations, bangs, and also far more. Moreover, it's likewise really versatile and will manage different jobs well. It features 5 different speeds and runs efficiently. What's more, it's not too loud, thanks to the styling and engineering. The 3/4 of a horsepower electric motor has good power and this enables the drill bits to work fast. The unit handles many materials well and also comes with variable speed. This caters to different needs and selecting the perfect option should not be hard. The 13-inch unit remains firm on the locating and this prevents movement or vibration. The height is flexible as well and it also adjusts in either the right or left directions. At number 3. We have the Skil 332001 3.2 amp 10-inch drill press. This tool by Skil is likewise a popular entrant in the great floor drill press reviews. The accessory is a good option for learners as well as experts. Also, it's not very cumbersome and likewise not as well hefty. For that reason, mounting and using it is not a difficult task. We enjoy its great styling that makes setup and using it really practical. The electrical motor is quite powerful, hence, you get good power and also torque. Additionally, it comes with 5 different speed levels to suit varied requirements. Selecting the most appropriate speed as per the need is very easy. The lowest speed is 570 RPM while the highest possible is 3050 RPM. Picking the speed is very easy in addition to hassle-free. Moreover, 3.2 amp motor isn't noisy and it also doesn't consume too much energy. It includes a 1/2 inch keyed chuck to manage the drill bit. Additionally, you get a bump-off button that improves the convenience as well as safety. And to support recurring drilling in addition to enhancing its accuracy, the device comes with an adjustable depth stop. Furthermore, the 0 to 45-degree right and left tilting improves the operation, whereas the Laser X2 2-beam laser boosts precision. At number 2, we have the Delta 18-900L 18 inches laser drill press. With the Delta 18-900L laser drill press, boring holes on various materials will be much easier. It features a useful dimension to cater to everyday needs and is also very simple to operate. Moreover, it's flexible to handle various jobs rather well. We like the design, which makes installation simple even by a beginner. In addition, it remains firm after the mounting to ensure you get expert outcomes. Also, you'll use very little effort as well as time. The system has an effective electric motor that delivers good power as well as torque. This will certainly make the job easy and also save you the effort. It comes with a full 6-inch quill stroke that drills deep and also relays good results. Furthermore, the 5 speeds give you a range of options to cater to everyday needs. The unit runs efficiently, you won't experience any jerky motions, and also the performance remains consistent all through. The micro-adjustable depth stops come handy in repetitive drilling. It boosts the performance and also plays a part in the professional finish. Also found in the unit is a fully adjustable twin laser that helps to deliver precise drilling. And finally at number 1, we have the WN4208 8-in 5-speed drill press. We finish the best floor drill press evaluation by reviewing the WN4208. It's a versatile unit and also is easy to use. Mounting it takes marginal effort as well. Moreover, you'll find very clear instructions inside the pack. It has a good style, weight, and proves very functional in daily operation. And for better performance, the accessory generates good power and also torque. This is because of the robust 1.5 HP electrical motor. It works with a 3/4 inch drill chuck and, together with the right drill, will bore through different materials well. You can use it on metal, wood, and plastic, among others. The device has a sturdy worktable that is made of cast iron. It measures 6-1/2 x 6 to 1/2 inch and is also height adjustable. It also bevels up to 45 degrees in either direction. We love the smooth rising and lowering mechanism. This allows you to pick the most appropriate height depending upon the job. You get variable speeds to suit different requirements. The lowest is 150 revolutions per minute while the highest possible is 4,200 RPM. For easy reach to a power outlet, it comes with a 6-foot-long power cable. Maintaining and caring for this stand is easy. What's more, it doesn't break easily and will offer you long-lasting service. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.